Today's topic is entire human system. The human skeleton system has a number of functions such as protection and supporting weight. Different type of bone have different shape related to their particular function. Flat bone. There are flat bone in the skull, parietal, frontal, nasal, lacrimal and vomer. Thoracic cage, sternum, ribs and the pelvic, ilium, ischium, pubic. The function of flat bone is to protect internal organs such as brain, heart and pelvic organ. Flat bone are flattened and can provide protection like a shield. Long bone support weight and facilitate large bone support weight and facilitate movement. The long bone longer than they are wide include the femur, largest bone in the body. Relatively small bone is short bone are cube shaped. Short bone are located in the wrist and ankle joint. Short bone provides stability and some movement. Irregular bone have complex shape. Irregular bone vary in shape and structure and therefore do not fit into any other category. Flat, short, long, sesamoid. Sesamoid bone are bone embedded in tendon. These small round bone are commonly found in the tendon of the hand, knee and feet. Sesamoid function to protect tendon from stress and wear. The patella, commonly referred to as the knee nap, and as example of sesamoid bone. Skeleton system is our body central framework. It consists of bone and connective tissues including cartilage, tendon and ligaments. It also called the musculoskeletal system. The skeleton system has many functions: allows movement, produce blood cells, protect and support organ, store minerals. Part of skeleton system: peritoneum joint, compact bone, ligament, spongy bone, tendon, cartilage. The muscular system is an organ system consisting of the skeleton, smooth and cardiac muscle. It permits movement of body, maintain posture and circulate blood throughout the body. The muscular system in vertebrate are controlled through the nervous system. Together with the skeleton system in the human, it forms musculoskeletal system, which is responsible for the movement of body. Circulatory system pumps blood from the heart to the lung to get oxygen. The heart then sends oxygenated blood through the arteries to the rest of the body. The vein carry oxygen poor blood back to the heart to start the circulation process. What is the circulatory system? Your heart and blood vessels make up the circulatory system. The main function of the circulatory system is to provide oxygen, nutrient and hormone to muscles, tissues and organs throughout your body. What does circulatory system do? Circulatory system function is to move blood throughout the body. The circulatory system also helps your body get rid of waste production. This waste include carbon dioxide from respiration, other chemical byproduct from your organ, waste from your eat and drink. How does the circulatory system work? Circulatory system function with the help of blood vessels that include artery, vein and capillary. The right ventricle sends blood that low in oxygen to lungs. Blood travel through the pulmonary artery. Blood cells pick up oxygen in the lungs. Pulmonary vein carry the oxygenated blood from the lung to the heart left atrium. The left atrium send the oxygenated blood into the left ventricle. As it moves through your body and oxygen, blood collect and drop off nutrient, hormone and waste product. The vein carry deoxygenated blood and carbon dioxide back to the heart, which send blood to the lungs. Your lung get rid of the carbon dioxide when you exhale. Double circulation, a mechanism in which blood circulates twice through the heart in one complete cycle, is known as double circulation. Systemic circulation and pulmonary circulation are two pathways in which the blood flow in double circulation. Lymphatic system is a network of delicate tubes throughout the body. It drains fluid called lymph that has leak from the blood vessels into the tissue and impetides it. back into the bloodstream via lymph node. The main role of the lymphatic system include managing fluid level in the body, reacting to bacteria, dealing with cancer cell. The lymph node and other lymphatic structure like the spleen and thymus hold special white blood cells called lymphocytes. These can rapidly multiply and release antibodies in response to bacteria and viruses. Spleen. It is largest organ in the lymphatic system. Thymus. It filters and monitor our blood content. It produces cell called T lymphocyte. Lymph node. They are filters. They are found in throat, armpits, chest and abdomen. Integumentary system is our body outer layer. It made up of skin, nails, hair on our skin. Skin is the largest and heaviest organ in our body. Skin is composed of three layers. Epidermis, top layer of our skin. It gives your skin waterproof barrier. Dermis, the middle layer of skin. This layer is thickest. It contains oil and sweat gland and hair follicles. Hypodermis, bottom layer of the skin. It's the fatty layer of the skin. Urinary system, also known as renal system, consists of kidney, ureter, bladder and urethra. The purpose of urinary system is to eliminate waste from our body, regulate blood volume and blood pressure. Urine is formed in the kidney through a filtration of blood. The urine is then passed through the ureter to the bladder when it is stored. During urination, the urine is passed from the bladder through the urethra to outside the body. Kidney and urinary system part and their function. Nervous system is highly complex part of an animal that coordinates its action and sensory information by transmitting signal to and from different parts of its body. The vertebrate, it consists of two main parts, central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The CNS consists of brain and spinal cord. The PNS consists of the mainly of nerves which are enclosed bundle of long fiber on or axon that connect CNS to every part of body. Nerves that transmit signal from brain are called motor nerve or efferent nerve, while those nerves that transmit information from the body to CNS are called sensory nerve or different nerve or afferent nerve. Reproductive system. The male reproductive system mostly exists outside of our body. The external organ include the penis, scrotum and testicles. The internal organ include a vas deferens, prostate and urethra. The male reproduction system is responsible for sexual function and urination function, produce, maintain and transport sperm and semen. Sperm are main reproductive cells. Semen is the protective fluid around sperm. Discharge sperm produce and secrete male sex hormone. The female reproductive system consists of internal and external organ. It creates hormone and is responsible for the fertility, menstruation and sexual activity. The body part that help women or people assigned female at birth have sexual intercourse, reproduce, menstruate. External part. The function of external genitals are to protect and the internal part from infection and allow sperm to enter our vagina. The main part of our valve, labia majora, large lips, enclose and protect the other external reproductive organ. During puberty, hair growth occur on the skin of labia majora. Labia minora, small lips. They lie just inside labia majora and surrounding the open to vagina and urethra. Clitoris is covered by a fold of skin called prepuce and is very sensitive to stimulation. Endocrine system. The hormone created by released by gland in body's endocrine system control nearly all process in our body. These chemicals help coordinate your body's function from metabolism to growth and development, emotions, mood, sexual function and even sleep. Endocrine system is made up of several organs called gland. These glands located all over your body create and secrete hormone. Hormones are chemicals that coordinate different functions in your body by carrying by carrying message through blood to your organs, skin, muscle and tissue. Pituitary gland senses when hormone increase, rise and tell other gland to stop producing and releasing hormone. Metabolism, break food and genetics, growth and development, emotion and mood, fertility and sexual function, sleep, blood pressure. The main gland that produce hormone include hypothalamus, pituitary, thyroid, adrenal, pineal, pancreas, ovaries and testes.